Hello everyone, today we will compare Impact Radius and Digistore24, two prominent affiliate marketing platforms in the world. Impact Radius is renowned for its comprehensive suite of tools that help brands and marketers track, manage, and optimize their affiliate programs efficiently. And on the other hand, Digistore24 offers a user-friendly marketplace and automation features that make it easy for digital product vendors and affiliates to connect and drive sales. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, customer and support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Impact Radius and Digistore24, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go to the features comparison. And as you can see, when it comes to market share, Impact Radius has 4.20% in the world, while Digistore 24 has 0.93%. And while when it comes to customer base, Impact Radius has 6,288 customers in 10 countries, while Digistore 24 has 1,391 customers in 10 countries. When it comes to affiliate network, Impact Radius has extensive network with a focus on quality and strategic partnerships, while Digistore24 has large network with a variety of products, especially strong in digital content. When it comes to tracking and attribution, Impact Radius has advanced tracking and attribution solutions, while Digistore24 is efficient tracking system with real-time data. When it comes to user interface, Impact Radius has user-friendly interface designed for simplicity and transparency, while Digistore24 is same. They have intuitive interface with easy navigation. When it comes to support service, Impact Radius is comprehensive support, including dedicated account managers, while Digistore24 have reliable customer service with support tickets and fax. When it comes to global reach, Impact Radius has strong presence in US, UK, and Canada, while Digistore24 has strong presence and it's popular in Germany. When it comes to product range, Impact Radius has diverse range of product across various industries, while Digistore24 has focused on digital products with some physical goods. And lastly, for platform services, Impact Radius has marketing technology platform offering a fraud detection and optimization tools, while Digistore24 has all-in-one digital sales platform automating accounting and tax management. So that's it for the features comparison. Now let's go to the pricing. So right here in the pricing, when it comes to commission rates, Impact Radius varies by advertiser. The commission rates is typically range from single digit percentage to fixed amount per action for Impact Radius. While Digistore24 commission rates is up to 70 to 90% on digital products, and it varies for physical goods only. So when it comes to payment threshold, Impact Radius has customizable payment thresholds and minimum payout varies by advertiser. And when it comes to Digistore24, the minimum payout is €50 for affiliates per payment threshold. When it comes to payment frequency, Impact Radius is monthly, bi-monthly, or custom schedule when it comes to payment. But when it comes to Digistore24, they are weekly or monthly payments. So when it comes to transaction fees, Impact Radius has transaction fees and it may apply depending on the advertiser's agreement, while Digistore24 has no transaction fees for affiliates. So yes, that's it for the pricing. So now let's go to the customer support comparison. So when it comes to response time, Impact Radius has varied experiences. So some users report quick response, others have faced delays. So when it comes to Digistore24, mostly prompt responses, some delays reported, but overall satisfactory. When it comes to support channels, Impact Radius has email, dedicated account managers, and have a comprehensive support system, while Digistore24 have email, help desk, and phone support available in multiple regions. When it comes to customer satisfaction, Impact Radius, some users report frustration with certain aspects of the platforms affecting their view of support, while Digistore24 has high levels of customer satisfaction, with many users recommending the platform for its support. So that's very good. So that's it for the key features, pricing, and customer support comparison. Now let's go to the pros and cons. And let's start by discussing impact radius pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, impact radius has advanced tracking and attribution solution that help in multi-channel and mobile marketing. They have no technical assistance required for tag management. They are very transparent global campaign offering network, making it easier for affiliate marketers to find and manage campaigns. They have user-friendly interface designed for simplicity and transparency. Then lastly, they have comprehensive support including dedicated account managers. So that's it. So when it comes to cons impact radius, some users report frustration with certain aspect of the platforms affecting their view of support, and they are not recommended for small and medium businesses due to contract terms and the platform complexity. And lastly, the approval access can be cumbersome and as you must apply to all advertisers individually and wait for their approval. So that's it for the impact radius pros and cons. So now let's go to the Digistore24 pros. So when it comes to pros, they have high commission rates for affiliates, especially in digital products. They automate sales processes, including accounting, invoicing, and tax management. They have an extensive network of affiliates which can help sellers reach new customers and increase sales. And lastly, they have dedicated support team that is available to answer questions and resolve issues promptly. So that's it for the pros. So when it comes to cons, Digistore24 has limited product range compared to other platforms with a focus mainly on digital products. The affiliate marketing is oversaturated, which can make it challenging to stand out. The technical issues have been reported, so although they tend to be rare, lastly, the configuring upsells and time-sensitive offers can be quite confusing for new users. So that's it for Impact Radius and Digistore 24 pros and cons. Now let's talk about which platform is the best for you. And let's start by discussing who should choose Impact Radius. So Impact Radius is repairable or ideal for those who have a significant online presence and are looking to partner with brands for affiliate marketing, and it's also suitable for large businesses seeking on robust platform and advanced tracking, attribution, and fraud detection capabilities. So perfect for companies aiming to optimize their marketing strategies and expand their reach globally and would benefit from impact services. And lastly, for those who require detailed analytics and reporting to make data-driven decisions. So if you have all of these qualities, I recommend you that you choose Impact Radius rather than Digistore 24. So now let's talk about who should choose Digistore 24. So Digistore 24 is referable for newcomers to affiliate marketing who wants a user-friendly interface and straightforward setup appealing. For ideal for sellers of digital products, supplements, and those hosting events and seminars, and ideal for those looking to tap into the European market, especially the German-speaking regions. And lastly, but not the least, for affiliates interested in promoting products with high commission rates. So that's it. So if you have all of these qualities, I recommend you that you choose Digistore 24. So yes, that's it. So in conclusion, both platforms, Impact Radius and Digistore24, offers a unique features that cater to different needs within the affiliate marketing industry. Impact stands out with its advanced tracking and global reach, making it a great choice for large enterprises and strategic marketers. On the other hand, Digistore24 offers a high commission rates and a user-friendly platform, ideal for beginner affiliates and vendors of digital products. So choosing the right platform depends on your specific requirements, whether it's a global expansion, advanced analytics, or a high commissions. We hope this comparison has provided you with a valuable insight to make an informed decision to choose the correct option. So with that being said, the comparison is over and that's it for this video too. See you in the next one.